Flash flooding overnight leads to road closures in parts of our area. We'll begin in Trempealeau County. The Sheriff's Department says flooding has shut down parts of the Buffalo River State Trail. At this time, the trail just west of the village of Oliva will be closed, and also the trail from west of Osseo at Tracy Valley Road to County Road G in Jackson County will be closed. The rest of the trail will be checked, and the public will be notified if there are further closings. Also in Jackson County, the town of Cleveland has just declared a state of emergency due to the number of roads that are damaged or closed due to flooding. Jackson County Emergency Management says this is the updated list of affected roads. People are asked to avoid the roads if possible and to not go around barricades or drive over roads with water over them. Emergency management continues to assess road damage and will open roads as soon as possible. And in Eau Claire County, Highway Department inspections found 2 flood-damaged roads overnight. County Highway U in the town of Clear Creek between Highway HH and Elm Road is closed due to significant road damage. These are some pictures sent to us from the emergency management coordinator of the damage along Highway U. Also closed today, Highway YY in the village of Fairchild between Highway 10 and 4th Street. It is not known at this time how long either road will be closed. The Eau Claire County Highway Department will continue to inspect areas throughout the county today.